Azure AI Vision embeds images and text into one shared vector space. That single fact makes photo-to-product search trivial. This is for engineers building visual search over a catalog. The Vectorize API returns a 1024-dimension vector per item. You match them by cosine similarity in Azure AI Search. 3 parts ahead. 1 hides a gotcha that quietly wrecks recall. Here is the whole system on one board. Product images land in blob storage. Azure AI Vision turns each image into a vector. Those vectors go into an Azure AI search index. At query time, a photo or phrase becomes a vector too. Search returns the nearest products. We cover embeddings, the index, and querying. The querying step hides the gotcha. Azure AI Vision has 2 Vectorize endpoints. One takes an image, one takes text. Both output vectors in the same 1024-dimension space. That alignment lets text find images and images find images. The feature ships in specific regions only. Check the current docs before picking a region. Images must be between 1 kilobyte and 20 megabytes. Keep that in mind for large catalogs. The index needs a vector field for the embedding. Set its dimensions to 1024 to match vision output. Attach an HNSW vector search profile for speed. Keep product ID, title, and image URL as retrievable fields. Mark the vector field searchable, not retrievable, to save payload. Store metadata you want to filter, like category or price. Ingestion is a loop over your catalog. For each product, call Vectorize image on its blob URL. Push the returned vector plus metadata into the index. Batch uploads in groups of up to 1,000 documents. Add retry with backoff for throttling on large runs. Here is the core call in Python. At query time, you embed the input. Then search vectors. A shopper types red running shoes or uploads a photo. Call Vectorize text or Vectorize image on that input. Pass the vector as a vectorized query to AI search. Ask for the top 10 nearest neighbors. Add a filter clause to scope by category or price. The same endpoint powers both search modes. Here is the trap. The Vectorize API takes a model version parameter. You must use the same version for indexing and querying. Mixed versions and the vectors live in different spaces. Similarity scores collapse and results look random. Pin one model version string in a shared config. Reindex everything whenever you upgrade that version. Never embed a query with a newer model than your index. You now have end-to-end multimodal search. Vision embeds images and text into one space. AI search stores vectors and finds nearest neighbors. Pin the model version on both sides to protect recall. Add hybrid search later to blend keywords with vectors. Clone the sample and index your own catalog today. If this helped, do me a favor. Hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video.